If you want to create custom alarm tone using your favorite song, just download the song in your iPhone and follow me to create custom alarm tone on iPhone for free. Go to your App Store and search for GarageBand, and you have to install this app on your iPhone. Then open this app and here search for audio recorder. So you have to open the audio recorder. Once you are here, tap on this icon to view the FX mode. And now make sure it's disable and tap on this plus icon. Tap on section A. Disable the automatic option and here select 30. Now it's time to import your custom song here. So tap on this icon. Select files. Tap on browse items from the files app. And now select the audio. Drag the audio here. Using this handle, you can adjust the song length. And then tap on this icon. And make sure the volume is 100. Tap on this icon. Tap on my songs. Tap and hold on the song and tap on share. Select ringtone. You can change the name from here. Tap on export and the song has been exported as ringtone. And let's see how you can use the song to create custom alarm tone. Open your clock, tap on this plus icon at the top right and set a new alarm and tap on sound, and here you will get the custom alarm tone you just created. So select this and save. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.